And begin to find your seat. Close your eyes. Softly close your eyes. And begin to listen to the sounds inside the room and outside your room. As we begin to connect to the moment. We'll find our center by checking in. Ask yourself, how does your physical body feel right now? And these few questions are just a self-sense. And you want to do it without judging yourself in any sort of way. It's just an awareness of where you're at in this moment. So how does your physical body feel? Maybe you're tired. It is sort of at the end of the afternoon. You might be a little tired, but you just want to notice that. Maybe you have some achiness in certain parts of your body. You definitely want to notice that. So how does your physical body feel? Then we'll come into our emotional body, again without judging. Just notice how you feel emotionally. Maybe you had a rough day emotionally. Maybe you feel wonderful emotionally. Maybe you feel calm. Just notice emotionally how you're feeling. Then we'll come to our breath body. Just notice your breath. Flow in and flow out. We're just going to do a little breath technique of releasing a little bit of tension. We'll inhale through the nose. You'll pucker the lips, open the mouth a little bit, pucker the lips, and just blow the air out through the puckered lips. So do a few of these purging breaths. You'll inhale through the nose, pucker the lips, and slowly release the breath from your puckered lips. To release. The exhalation releases some extra tension if you're holding on to any extra tension. And then just come back to your normal breath. You can close your mouth as you exhale now. And then you're going to lift the corners of your mouth up into an inner smile. This inner smile, by lifting the corners of your mouth up, neurologically sends a message to your brain that you're feeling joy or happiness. You can also add to this by thinking of something or someone that brings you joy. As you lift the corners of your mouth up into this inner smile, washing this joy throughout your body. Just feeling that joy throughout your body. This helps to release the chemical reaction of dopamine, serotonin, when we tap into joy or inner smile. So we're setting the stage, we're getting ready to meditate by just lifting our spirits up a bit. And now I'll guide you to a deep relaxation. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your feet, as you bring all your intention and awareness to your feet, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your feet. Bring all your awareness and attention to your ankles. As you bring all your attention and awareness to your ankles, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your ankles. Bring all your awareness and attention to your knees. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your knees, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your knees. Bring all your awareness and attention to your hips. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your hips, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your hips. Bringing all your awareness and attention to your belly. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your belly, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your belly. As you bring all your attention and your awareness to your ribs, bringing all your attention to your ribs as you slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your ribs. Bringing all your awareness and attention to your chest and heart. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your heart, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your heart and chest. Bringing all your awareness and attention to your hands. As you bring all your attention and awareness to your hands, slowly breathe in, slowly breathe out as you relax your hands. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your wrists. As you bring all your attention and awareness to your wrists, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your wrists. Bringing all your awareness and attention to your elbows. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your elbows, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Bringing all of your awareness and attention to your shoulders. As you bring all your attention and awareness to your shoulders, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your shoulders. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your back, your entire spinal cord. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your back and spinal cord, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your back and spinal cord. As you bring all your awareness and intention to your neck, the front and the sides and the back of your neck. As you bring all your awareness and intention to your neck, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your neck. As you bring all your attention and awareness to your entire head and face, the front and the sides and the back of your head. As you bring all your awareness and attention to your head and face, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out as you relax your head and face. And then bringing all your attention and awareness to the crown of your head, imagining about 12 inches above your head, bringing all your awareness and attention 12 inches above the crown of your head, imagining a white golden light hovering above your head. As this white golden light begins to cascade down your entire body like a warm cocoon, holding you safely as you slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out, relaxing your entire body from toe to head, back, sides, and front. And as you rest here in this golden white cocoon light, keep repeating to yourself, I breathe in, I breathe out. I breathe in, I breathe out. And if a thought comes floating in, just keep back to I breathe in, I breathe out. And then just remain in the silence of your breath as you breathe in, as you breathe out. Staying with that mantra, I breathe in, I breathe out. Feeling your entire body breathing, soaking in the white golden light. And just notice how you feel in this moment. And I'll guide you back and transition from this meditation practice. Still keeping your eyes closed. Rubbing your hands together, creating a little bit of warmth in your hands. And then opening your eyes into your palms as you let a little bit of light in. And then slowly move your hands away from your face as you let more light in, like you're opening up a shade to a new moment. As you slowly transition back to this moment, fully awake.